There's a ton of new information and news about Shiba Inu Coin, and let's get into it. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my analysis on Shiba Inu Coin. And of course, make sure to like the video and subscribe. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, here we are with Shiba Inu Coin. As you can see here, we are on CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu is down just about 2.94% or 0.00008058. That's the current level that we're at. We've dropped down from the 0.9 level, which we were at not too long ago. As you can see here, the overall graph has dropped back a little bit significantly here. And of course, you can see it on this graph a little bit better, a little bit just better illustrated overall. This was the large run up that we saw not too long ago. If we pull all the way out here, we can see, let's actually go to the 1 year chart here. Maybe even we'll go a little bit shorter. This is the 1 year chart. As you can see here, the massive run up we saw in early May, kind of late May, right around there. Obviously large pullback into the end of May into June, and pretty much stagnate, kind of consolidation for the most part, pretty much is what it's been doing. Now we're seeing a little bit of an uptrend here in the kind of later part of the month, of the early part of August. And of course, just recently we saw the massive uptrend in this coin not too long ago. Now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback from the highs that we attributed to, or rather contributed to. And now we're kind of flatlining here, and we'll see where that goes. If it can break above this previous resistance point and go higher, this higher high, if it breaks above that higher high, we could see more upward or bullish momentum. Now, let's get into obviously the Shiba Army Reddit. I love going here just because we can kind of get a read on what the community is thinking, what's going on with overall sentiment, and just different stuff that's going on in the community. So let's read a little bit here. Sold all my stocks to buy a S-ton of Shiba. Let's go. As you can see here, they have quite a bit. Really cool stuff. Shiba Inu adds 1,000 new investors each day. A little piece of news there. That's pretty awesome. This is really interesting. We have Webull news. Shiba USD is now in beta testing. If you would like to join the beta test, comment, I want to join the Shiba beta, and you will be added to the whitelist to trade Shiba. So this confirms Webull is adding Shiba Inu to their platform, which is crazy, crazy good news. What everyone obviously is really waiting for, of course, though, is Robinhood. When Robinhood does that, that will more than likely cause a large explosion in price. But once even Webull does this, fully adds it to their platform, we could see some crazy stuff happen. Because as we all know, Shiba Inu right now is a little bit difficult to buy. There's still kind of not a wide range of places that you can acquire this coin on. And Webull, being a very popular brokerage that it is, being able to do that, that would really send it, I think, much higher in price. And it will be very interesting to see. So overall, that's just kind of a little bit of a few of the posts that we saw on the Shiba Army Reddit. As you can see, there's still plenty of people trading, buying, doing more, just loving this coin, obviously, quite a bit. As you can see here with this interesting NFT show, and just all kinds of cool stuff going on with there. So the community is still very strong with Shiba Inu. Unfortunately, the price is pulling back, like I said before, so that's not really like the greatest piece of news, unfortunately. But again, we did hit that previous resistance point that we saw before with the massive run up. Well, it's not massive, but a decent run up. And then of course, we did see this previous correction. So if, of course, previous results, previous patterns do continue, we may see another correction to the downside, down to kind of the 587, 57 level. Around there, and then maybe a reversal into the highs. We'll pull up an indicator here. Let's pull up the RSI, the relative strength index, which to give us an idea whether or not this coin is overbought and oversold. We're getting low here on the RSI, at least on the kind of smaller time frame that we're on, moving down towards the 30 level. As you can see here, when Shiba Inu Coin was down here, when the RSI was significantly below the 30 level, meaning that Shiba Inu Coin was oversold, you know, people who bought in here had massive amounts of upside to gain from this rally. And that's why I like using the RSI so much, is that it really indicates when a stock, or even not a stock, sorry, a coin is really oversold and maybe a good buying opportunity. Again, that's not financial advice, it's just my personal way that I trade. Now, let's hop into this. This is going to be kind of the main part of today's video, the main focus, and that is what will happen to Shiba Inu Coin by 2025. There are some price predictions for Shiba Inu Coin as it prepares to face off with Dogecoin. Now, keep in mind, this article was written a little bit ago, but it is still very interesting, and I think provides some very interesting points that I want to get into. Shiba Inu Coin, the meme-based cryptocurrency, has been billed as a Dogecoin killer. It has not gone away yet, despite a recent dip in cryptocurrencies. But will Shib Coin ever reach the $1 mark? What issue does Shiba Inu Coin face? Shiba Inu Coin has had a run of luck recently, holding off a huge dip that other cryptocurrencies have seen, according to FX Street. But the Shiba Inu Coin cryptocurrency still faced some obstacles. For example, Shib Coin has not gained much attention on social media or from speculators, according to FX Street. If the Shiba token starts to drop, it may even lose more support since cryptocurrencies like Shiba and Dogecoin rely on social media hype for investment. I very much disagree with that. Shiba Inu Coin's entire run was based off of social media hype to begin with, so I pretty much disagree with that. Let's keep reading though. David Haseo, CEO of crypto magazine Block Journal, told the Inverse that Shiba Coin only rises because of the community, so investors should keep that in mind before investing. I do agree with that. The Shiba Inu Coin is an incredibly community-driven coin. And a lot of the hype and kind of just everything going on with that coin is mostly surrounded with just the way that it's moving and the way that the investors and the community itself is putting money into the coin. There's also some talk here about Robinhood and Coinbase Pro and all that fun stuff when it will be available. And then here, this is the really interesting part that I wanted to get into. Where will Shib Coin be in 2025? Shib Coin is selling for about 0.000085 per coin with a market value of 3.4 billion. So there's still plenty of time to grow. Per Market Realist, the current prediction suggests Shib Coin will reach a value of 0.000019 per coin in 2022 and later hit 0.00061 per coin in 2025. That would be a near 620% increase from where the Shib Coin is at now, which might sound like a good opportunity to invest. Will the Shiba Coin hit $1? Market Realist laid out the plan for how Shiba Coin could reach the $1 benchmark, which has been a goal for Dogecoin supporters. Shiba Coin would need to climb 12 million % to hit $1 since January. The coin has jumped about 2 million every month, so it could, in theory, hit $1 by the end of 2021 if it keeps that growth, according to the Market Realist. If Shiba maintains that level of growth, it could reach $1 in 2021. However, it grows at the rate of about 20% per month, and it will require 5 years to hit the $1 milestone, which points to 2025 as the earliest Market Realist reports. So this is just kind of an article that kind of speculates a little bit about when Shiba Inu could reach $1, if it could reach $1. And overall, a lot of the analysts and people who are looking at this really think that it's a real possibility. It's just going to take, obviously, time. We all know that, of course, Shiba Inu is burning tokens at a fast rate, and as that burn continues to go, we could see a continued upward trend or upward movement, bullish movement in price. Now, right now, we are extremely low as far as the overall price goes of Shiba Inu Coin, but that does not necessarily mean that it will stay there forever. Again, Shiba Inu has been at the 356 level, before. Whether or not it breaks past this, again, it might just be a matter of time. It might be a matter of being patient and of course being able to wait and be aware of what's going on here. But guys, we're going to keep it very close here. We're going to keep it locked with Shiba Inu, making sure to bring you guys all kinds of news, updates, anything involved with this coin, because of course there's a lot of people who want to know, who want to make sure that they're up to date and aware of what's going on with Shiba Inu, and of course see different opinions and ideas and just kind of overall be interactive with the community. So other than that, guys, that is pretty much it today for Shiba Inu. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, because if you're trading Shiba Inu or if you're investing in Shiba Inu, more than likely you're into crypto, you're also into stocks. You guys can check out Public. You can follow us on there, and when you use our link, not only do you support the channel, but you also can get a free stock of a great selection of companies. All you have to do is deposit $1 while using our link. It's a great brokerage and a great social investing app that you can be a part of, where you can keep up to date with what we're buying, what we're selling, and of course all of our thoughts on the current market situation. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Pro. Take it easy.